This topic is all about winning attitude. Paano ba magkameron ng winning attitude? Actually, marami kang kailangang baguhin sa sarili mo na hindi mo alam, na probably na hindi mo pansin na ginagawa mo na hindi pala nakakatulong sa mga bagay na gusto natin. For me, para magkameron ka ng winning attitude, para mas mag-attract ka ng maraming blessing, first step, you have to feel good every day. You have to gravitate, okay? You have to attract blessings and good things. You have to focus on good things in life. You have to be thankful, you have to be grateful every day. May kasabihan nga, kung nagpapasalamat ka sa mga maliliit na bagay na binibigay sa iyo ng Diyos, mas bibigyan ka ng Panginoon ng malalaking bagay na mas ipagpapasalamat mo pa. Kaya everyday, i-practice mo lagi, you have to be thankful in every single blessing, in every single things na ginagawa mo at natatanggap mo. For your 5 senses that you have, for the single blessing, for the good friends, for your family, sa pagkain na kinakain mo, sa hangin na nilalanghap mo, sa opportunity na meron ka katulad ng Alliance in Motion Global. You have to be thankful for that. Kasi kapag hindi ka thankful, the universe will give you big things na hindi ka mas magiging thankful. Consider the power of imagination. Our mind is a very powerful thing that it can attract everything. Lahat ng gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo, ibibigay as long as yan ang iniisip mo. You have to imagine things as if it's into reality. Do you know how powerful imagination is? Very powerful ang imagination. Everything that you imagine, nagre-respond yung katawan mo. It's as simple as, pag nag-imagine ka ng hilaw na mangga, color green, medyo nag-yellow, may isang gayat na mangga, habang dahan-dahan mong inilalapit sa mabango, bagong lutong alamang or bagoong. Tapos idinip mo yung mangga, at nilalapit mo sa bibig mo, dahan-dahan, naamoy mo yung asim at yung alat. Inimagine mo na kinagat mo. Ano nangyari? Hindi ba naglaway ka? Ganun ka powerful ang imagination. Kung nung inimagine mo, yung katawan mo nagre-respond. Kaya ngayon pa lang, imagine mo na that 1 to 2 years from now, magiging successful ka sa negosyo natin sa AIM Global. 1 to 2 years from now, nagda-drive ka ng sarili mong kotse. Imagine mo na 1 to 2 years from now, makakabili ka ng worth 10 million pesos na house and land. 1 to 2 years from now, imagine mo na magkakameron ka ng libu-libong downlines. Even 100 years ago, even history itself, napatunayan na kung gaano ka-powerful ang imagination. 100 years ago, ang bakal or ang metal, hindi siya pinapaniwalaan na pwedeng lumutang sa tubig at lumutang sa himpapawid. That was before. Dahil na-imagine ng mga inventor ng barko at ng eroplano that metal can float in the water, can fly in the sky. It means imagination can turn out reality. It is a matter of belief and action. Imagine mo na that 1 to 2 years from now, pag uwi mo ng Pilipinas, makikita mo ang iyong mga anak at ang iyong pamilya, susunduin ka kasi hindi ka na muling babalik pa sa ibang bansa. And forever, magkakasama na kayo, enjoying the money with a lot of your time, enjoying your time with a lot of your money. Yan ang mangyari sa AIM Global. Dapat ngayon pa lang, imagine mo na. Kasi it's just a matter of time, mangyayari at mangyayari yan. 3 things na kailangan mong tandaan para makuha mo yung gusto mo. Probably in business, in other field of your life. Number 1, first step, you have to ask. You have to ask the things that you want. As I told you, focus on the things that you want. Kaya nga may tinatawag tayong dream board. You have to picture it out. Pag sinabing ask, ipinagpipray mo. Pag sinabing ask, dapat lagi mo siyang nakikita. Make a dream board. Gawa ka ng dream board. Second step, You have to believe. You have to imagine. You have to visualize. You have to believe 100% na ibibigay sa'yo yung hiningi mo. Third step, you have to receive. You have to be grateful in advance. You have to be there at the feeling na as if nasa'yo na yung gusto mo. 3 things: ask, believe. Number 3, receive. After this video, yung next video, for sure, mas ma-inspire ka. Kasi very powerful yung next video na mapanood mo. It is an extraordinary video that changed a lot of people's lives and perspective.